How to fix video recording not working on Moto G77. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button. At the time, you will see restart device from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on see all apps. Scroll down and click on camera. After click on camera, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it still not solved, again click on settings app and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix recording not working on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.